To access color collections, click Tool, then click Manage Preset. When you see this screen, select Color Collection. To create a new spot color, click Add. When you see this screen, select an existing group from the drop-down menu, or create a new group by entering a name. Then click Proceed. Enter the spot color name. Select an Output Color space from the drop-down menu and enter the color values. Then, click Finish. Click Copy to copy a spot color. Click Delete to remove a spot color or color group. Click Deactivate to deactivate a color group. Click Import to import spot colors and color groups. Or click Export to export them.